Dash, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we are expecting the price to give us at least one more drop, and we're expecting the price drop to 174.8. As we can see, even the price dropped more than what we expected. That means the price broke 174.8. Now we want to see what's the next. All right. And right now we want to see whether we can expect this one, because this one is another correction. Can we expect this one turn to a correction? I mean the flat for one more drop, and how deep it can go. Anyway, if there is the breakout of the previous low, which is based on daily chart, roughly we can say somewhere around 1.5. If there is a breakout of 1.5, we can simply the price can drop to 1.4. But one thing I need to highlight here, if we consider this one as a correction relative to this, we don't want to see the breakout of 140, because if the price break, even we don't want to see the breakout of 150, maximum 140, because if the price break 140, mostly we can expect the price to retest the previous low. At that time, we need to look at this entire structure differently. Okay, that's why we prefer, if I move to forward chart, it will be more clear for me. I'm really interested to look for buy, but what I want to say, I want to price retest the previous low, then I see the reversals. If I see any reversal, I will take the trade for buy. Okay, but since we get this sharp move following by this correction, still we can expect to get one more drop. And for me, I mean, if there is a breakout of 153.5, if there is a breakout, the next level we can look for is 1.4. We don't want to see the price drop more than 140, 140, because we're looking for the reversal. Anyway, if the price retest or break the previous low, mostly we can see the divergence. That means if we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we will take it. Whether this is the start of the reversal, or we can expect the price to give us a deeper correction and consolidate within this range for longer time, we cannot confirm with that. The only thing is, as long as the price tag the previous low, if there is no breakout or if we get any reversal, we will take the trade. But if the price broke and there is a continuation, we just let it go. And as I mentioned, if the price break 140, mostly based on daily chart, we can expect the price to retest the previous low. If I move to daily chart, which is somewhere around 105 or 110, which is, if that one happen, then I mean we will be within this long big correction for longer time. All right, because what we have been looking for, we have been looking for this one as a correction. We wanted to see the reversal. That means we have been looking for bull market, which is a buy. Anyway, if I move to forward chart, and based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. The only thing is, since almost the price near to the previous low, if you put this low in relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. Even if the price haven't break the previous low, which is somewhere around 1.5, when I'm referring is 156, but almost near to that. Since we have a divergence, any trade for buy, we will take it, but we'll be within this range as a short-term trade. And if we get any trade, as long as the price haven't retest 153, that's mean if the price tag 156, any reversal, we take it as a short term and is within this range. Okay, we are that's mean at the 170 we have to start to manage. But what I prefer this one continue and confirm the breakout of 153.5, because at that times it can give us better confirmation to look for buy. All right, anyway, still we're looking at the buy, but we don't see any trade setup at this times. And the only thing is we are looking for the reversal point, as I discussed. In this case, this means we are more interested to look for buy rather than the sell. And we, uh, even if we, one thing I need to highlight here, even if we get price, if I put my line here, just as we make it very clear, which is somewhere around 153, we make it 153 as exact value, 153. Okay, sorry, we just make it 153, 153. Okay, if the price tag 153, if there was no breakout, any reversal, we take the trade, but we should know about the possibility this one turn to a flat for one more drop. That means still we are within this correction. But if we see the confirmation for price to break 153, That means the price came to this zone, we see the confirmation, then any reversal may we can consider for long term, because we need to see the breakout confirmation to see the breakout of this correction. All right, that's why if I move to 1 hour chart, maybe we just make it very clear, we need to see the confirmation whether the price is going to break the previous low or not. If the price couldn't break the previous low, any trade we take it, but we need to be quite careful about this correction. But if there is a confirmation, then we will see the breakout of this correction. Then any reversal, it can give us better trade, better confirmation for the long-term trade if we wants to look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. This is what for me I'm looking for. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.